Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some new interesting unique crafts. So here we have created a beautiful garden-like structure with birds and sun along with the help of these origami sheets and papers. Now cut the heart-shaped patterns like these and then make it look like this by having two hearts in the way. Then you have to paste the stem like these of green color and then the pot. And now what are we gonna do? Let's see. You have to cut the shapes like these and the leaves like this, and you have to tie it in the way we are doing it and then make the creases and folds, and this is absolutely ready. And now you have to paste it further and then interlock it with the help of the sheet. Now let's see what we have to do now. You have to draw the lines, concurrent lines like these, and now let's see what are we gonna do. Cut the beautiful flower in this shape and then fold it in along with it. You have to make as many flowers and then paste it all over it like this we are doing in the video. And here's it is. Now what you have to do, cut a circle on a black sheet of paper, paste another circle like this, and again you have to make the concurrent lines as many as passing through it, and then the leaf and the bird is absolutely ready. Proceeding further, again you have to cut a big circle and then you have to make a tree-like structure, wooden stem like this, and then again you have to draw with the help of the watercolor. Draw as many branches as you can from one side all over it. Now again you have to draw at the bottom the grass-like structure. Now paste it all the earbuds and you have to make impressions like this all over the page so as to give it a realistic tree look. Isn't it looking? Now you can further decorate it with the help of red color, and this is absolutely ready. Now you have to cut the bubble wrap circular sheet in two and then paste the form like this. You have to give the imprints in this manner and just paste the two circular sheets in this way and then decorate further using your brushes and watercolor. You have to make the imprints in this way, paste the googly eyes as well, and then decorate it further with the help of your earbuds and imprints. Now what we have to do, you have to draw the smileys like this. Again, let's see what are we gonna do. Make this tree stem in this way, the leaves and all, and again you have to draw the leaf structure, and let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to make the stems like this and then the leaves in this way. Now remove the bottle cap and along on it you have to paste it in the way as we are doing. Make it look like this. Again you have to paste the imprints. Make the imprints in this manner with the help of bubble wrap paper, and then you have to paste the sheets, the strips of paper in this way. And here's your drawing absolutely ready. Proceeding further, let's see what are we gonna do now. Take the imprints of paper, pieces of paper like this, and make the spikes in this manner. And let's see, here's it is ready. Now take the imprint of your hand, cut it, and then you have to fold the two fingers like this and just decorate it further by making nails. You have to put the heart-shaped patterns on the top of it, and let's see what are we gonna do. Now take the piece of this and then you have to cut it in this form. Again you have to cut the imprints like this and paste it over it. Your pineapple is ready. Again you have to take the imprints of your hand and let's see what are we gonna do. Make it look like this and your drawing is absolutely ready.